Right, another update. I'm not really keeping a track now of number of meetings. I don't really see the point. Did 3 last week. Missed an appointment on yesterday for a silly reason, but made up for it tonight by going to a meeting in Gloucester, which was fucking weird. But meeting was good. The guy that's kind of putting the most time in that into me and I'm communicating with said it's probably time that I find a sponsor now, whatever that really is. Not too sure, but he said it has to be someone I can absolutely trust and I can be absolutely comfortable with, and tell him and be comfortable enough to be able to tell him everything. And I think we might struggle there because I'm not that sort of person, which I'm going to bring up in tomorrow's meeting. I don't really let anyone in, so to think that I'm going to have to share everything with someone, I might struggle with. You know, I've done shit and who I am or was, what I've done. You know, I've got things that I don't want you to know. Anyone. I've done shit that I don't want anyone to know. So to think that I'm going to have to find someone to be comfortable enough to tell them everything. I guess it's different if you find the right person. Maybe they've done the same, they've stooped to the same depths. But how do you find that out? I don't know. I'm going to bring that up in the meeting tomorrow. Funny going back to Gloucester today for the first time since having difficulty down there, and the meeting place is just down the road, it's in town. So Gloucester really only has memories for me of drugs, so it's a bit ironic that the meeting place is like just down the road in town. The guy, I don't know what to say his name, but the guy said he could see I was struggling a bit there, or walking to and from. He said this is probably a place not to go to on my own, and I agree, because had he not been there, I'd have carried straight on and turned left. So that's not, Gloucester is not a place for me to go on my own at the minute. If he goes, I'll go, because it was a good bunch of people, but not a place I could go to on my own at the minute. So as long as that's recognised, that's the other thing. I haven't really got anything else to say. Gloucester.